trout opener was a bust, baby. I did manage to. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. After we left the first hole, we went for a ride up the road, and there was like 30 cars parked in the back and like 60 people coming out of the bush. Almost impossible to find another spot. You could pee across this river. It's not very big at all. But with that being said, I smashed a couple. Smash that like button. Smash the subscribe button, baby.
Yeah, baby. It's trout opener. Let's go smash some steel. See you on the water, folks. See you on the water.
Almost through downtown. Gonna hook up with my buddy Jeff. We're gonna go socially distance ourselves on the river and see if we can't catch some migratory steel, baby. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Two minutes away from the trout hole, baby. 2 minutes away from the trout hole. I got my homeboy Jeff over here socially distancing at the side of my car.
Yeah, 6 inches apart.
It's not guaranteed there's gonna be a fish here, eh?
I know.
Like this trip is gonna be pretty much moving quite a bit. So we made it here, and like I thought, the parking lots are closed. Or like I was wishing, the parking lots are closed, and there's next to nobody here. We got me and my homeboy social distancing over here, and there's a couple other homeboys on the other side of the freaking bridge social distancing themselves with their drift rods, 13-foot rods, on this tiny little creek that you could pee across.
I was just coming down to this spot just for a couple of seconds, then we see the mofo was running.
And you're, yeah, right? Okay, that's trout opener is cutthroat, bud. It's like tournament fishing. Get to that spot first, because you know right where they're going, right? They're going right to our spot because of that tree hangs under.
Yeah.
And
What are you gonna use? You gonna use worms or?
I'm using a bell spinner to start.
Got him.
Right, we only bleep the first 10 to get us through it. And then after we're already going to the river on that. Don't stand on slippery carpet. I've almost hit a couple times here. Hold on. Yeah, I need to make. Sorry, I'm gonna slip.
It's huge, bud.
I know.
Fucking bastard.
Oh, I lost it. Oh, I got it. Grab that thing.
Where is it?
What's up, homeboy? You gotta set that net up too. Got my spring migratory steel. That net's right there.
Feeling the day.
I'll do the netting. No, I lost him. Anyways, this is spring migratory steel. Cast number 2, spring migratory steel, second cast. I lost it in the net, but you know, that was pretty damn close. Anyways, I gotta get off the slippery rock. do not fall. Jack, come on. You're waking up and coming. Jack, I need a hand here. We're good. No, stay. Stop, you're gonna hurt yourself. Nice little male steelhead here, baby. Beautiful, beautiful rainbow trout. Lake Ontario migratory fish. Don't forget to smash that like button, baby. Smash that subscribe button. And I'll do my best to keep coming out to the river and catching more beautiful rainbows. Such as that one right there that just properly sliding away from me and yeah! Woo! Woo!